luck. Sinong Indian? Mommy or daddy?
Yung tatay ko.
Jerry Byrne. Sino pangalan sa'yo ng Jerry Byrne?
Si sister ko.
Let's not to go to Jerry Byrne.
Yes.
Ah, sino yun?
Avoid saying.
Ah? Okay. Lalaki. Sige. Wow.
Jerry Byrne, ang ganda ng boses mo. Ang taas. Yung clarity yan, ang medyo may diferensya ng konti.
But the quality is there. Who trained you to sing?
Nung bata po ako, yung teacher pa namin sa school. Then, lately lang po yung trainer ko galing sa Italy.
Italy! Wow. Okay. This is your dream. Dream mo to. Ito mag-perform, maging singer, to be viewed by millions.
Yes.
Boss?
Siguro millions ka naman, but, you know, you can't really put on sort of stage or I could see the nerve. But tama yung sa mga magaganda kong kasama dito na you have a solid voice. Ganda na voice. Let's go, ladies.
Can you dance?
No.
Oh, okay.
Focus.
Ay, sige. Okay. Mia, say yes.
Thank you po.
Ako kasi maganda yung boses mo. Konting clarity lang, pero ako yes.
Thank you po.
Boss? Hindi, boss. Ay naman, mother.
Diyan sa partner, pipigilan kita.
Yes, boss, please.
Maria, it's a yes.
Thank you po.